Nice work, new guy.
Thanks.
Shh.
What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
The enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. Come on. Wall's not gonna fight. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash. You're a natural.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Oh, Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
What a lovely day to serve Emperor Nefarious. The target is unlawfully armed.
Feel free to browse. You are getting it! Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the raritanium. Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape. I knew teaching you this would be easy peasy. Go ahead, upgrade that. That one is so, hot right.
Legends tell of a weapon that contains energy so powerful, a beam of it will obliterate enemies with the mere press of a button. And it is called the Negatron Collider. Obliterate your enemies in a row, or sweep your collider through the crowd. The energy to blast away evil is in your hands.
Sneaking a little peeky peek, are we? Double the barrels, double the fun.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer, with its 2 barrels of sweet, sweet destruction. You can pull the fire trigger halfway to shoot 1 barrel, and if you are feeling confident, pull it all the way to shoot both. Boom!
Enhancements incoming! You will be.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there! And me, Zircon, was never here!
Seriously? Oh, we gotta come back sometime.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it. Don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
I do so enjoy the Spotlight can come to the show, too. 5 stars.
Nothing like total robot domination.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
The resistance is here. First they come for our local community. Now our souls. You are going to love your new cage. Will not stop me so easily. Civil violence is against our rules.
Unless we're doing it to you.
Open for some nanotech.
I do not believe I have.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of the truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance is growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
This isn't punishment. It's an opportunity.
Resistance is here. First they come for our local music scene. Now our souls. This rebellion will be fruitless. Here I come. Please desist. Is that really necessary?
You know what? Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to run? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!